Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're checking out the Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser that combines modern design, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced rider, the Vulcan S offers an engaging ride with plenty of customization options to fit your style. Let's take a closer look at what makes the Kawasaki Vulcan S a top choice for so many riders. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine, which delivers around 61 horsepower. This engine offers smooth power delivery, with plenty of low-end torque for cruising around town and hitting the open road. It's not too aggressive, making it ideal for beginners, but still gives enough thrill for experienced riders who enjoy a relaxed yet responsive cruiser. Whether you're commuting or cruising down highways, the Vulcan S has the power you need. Handling and ride quality. One of the standout features of the Vulcan S is its handling. The bike is built with a low center of gravity and a lightweight frame, making it easy to maneuver, especially for riders new to cruisers. The 17-inch front wheel and rear 16-inch will provide a stable and smooth ride on both city streets and longer rides. The adjustable suspension, comprising a telescopic fork in the front and a twin shock setup in the rear, gives you the flexibility to adjust it for comfort or performance, ensuring a smooth ride on various terrains. Design and aesthetics. When it comes to design, the Kawasaki Vulcan S has a sleek and modern look, with clean lines and a minimalist style. The bike features a muscular fuel tank, sharp front fender, and a simple yet striking LED headlamp. The overall design has a sporty edge while maintaining a classic cruiser vibe. Plus, with the wide range of color options, you can find the one that matches your personal style. Technology and features. The Vulcan S doesn't skimp on modern features either. It comes with a digital instrument cluster that's easy to read and provides all the essential riding information like speed, fuel level, and trip data. The bike also features a 6-speed gearbox that offers smooth shifting and a low-maintenance chain drive. The ergonomics are further enhanced by the ability to adjust the foot pegs, handlebars, and seat height, making it a truly customizable cruiser that can fit various rider sizes and preferences. Customization and ergonomics. One of the best things about the Vulcan S is the level of customization it offers. Kawasaki designed the bike with their ErgoFit system, allowing riders to adjust the foot pegs, handlebars, and seat height for a personalized riding position. This makes the Vulcan S incredibly comfortable for all types of riders, from shorter to taller individuals, ensuring that everyone can find their perfect fit. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a fantastic cruiser that offers a perfect balance of performance, comfort, and customization. Its approachable engine, and